Here we are, guys. 2 days. Got the KELDERMAN air suspension on the tow truck, front and rear, full 4-link. Lost a little bit of clearance up front, but just took her for a trip around the block, and the ride is actually more impressive than I can imagine. It's really smooth. I'd say the ride's probably a little better than our Suburban over there. So for the tow truck to ride better than the Suburban's pretty awesome. Kind of cool. It has a leveling valve on each side, so I'm assuming that helps out with sway. And then of course if I had it not loaded, really beefy too. This thing is, feel like I may have actually added a little bit of strength. We got that, got a leveling valve on that side. Nobody cares. This is a L5D Duramax, so a little less power than the pickup truck version. Okay, here we are in the rear. Leveling valve. So the rear does a 2-bag setup. Big sway bar in there. Dump valves, and then we have a setup to where has 3 auxiliary switches. So I have the front number 2, kind of see it coming down. All the way down. Right. I'm kind of back here. So the bed's off the ground there. And we're going to dump the rear. And the bed's on the ground. I'd say ride height is probably about a ½ inch taller, and then I'd say I get about 2 inches more drop. There it is. So it took us 2 days to get this all on here, and like I said, it rides amazing.